You. Yes. Reforge that which is broken in you.
Sun's barely up and you're already whining. Well, I'm awake. Happy? Siblings nipping at your ears again? Come on, you wee thing. We have a lot of ground to cover before the sun goes down. Let's see if we can get the pack some grub. The trap's blades are chipped and stained with blood. Something must have barreled through. What do you smell, boy? There. Here.
afraid it's not time for that.
This isn't your territory. Who are you?
I go by Alwyn. I'm a wanderer. You must be the keeper of this grove. I wasn't expecting you to be so unpredictable.
Why are you here?
To do what you should be doing. Protecting the land. You've been neglecting your duty. Sharval is trembling. I've come to see what frightens her so.
This land isn't yours to tend, Wanderer. Whatever it is, I'll handle it. I suggest you leave, and don't come back.
You can't control your magic, let alone use it to protect this forest. But I'll go. There's more important work to do than muzzling you.
I've had outbursts before, but never like that. I need Aoife's guidance. Sharval is not your equal. Bow before you break. A sapling with no stake will always grow arched. Know your place in nature, or be rejected from her embrace. You must be recognized by others. That bear, was its frenzy a sign from Sharval? If I free its spirit, maybe the land will have more to say. Where are you running off to? There you are, you runt. Get away from that thing. It's dangerous.
I'm not dangerous. Well, not to others at least. The name's Ralph. What's this little guy's name?
He doesn't have one. But never mind the wolf. What are you doing here?
I'm with my village. Or what's left of it. Demons came and burned down our homes. We've been running from them since. Hey, how about I name the wolf? What about Kingsley?
It's a horrible name. Wait, there are more of you? Take me to them. My land is not yours to ruin! None of you are welcome here. Your ignorance has caused enough destruction to my grove. You all must leave immediately.
Are you really lecturing us when you just ruined our camp? Who are you, anyway?
I am a protector of the wilds. And your camp is on my territory. Sharval isn't a quaint little forest. Misstep, and she'll bury you alive. I won't say it twice. Leave.
You're mad. Where do you expect us to go? We've been running for weeks.
They're here! They found us! We have to run, now!
This way!
The demons chased them all the way here. Where is that wolf pup?
Are you all right? You didn't really seem like yourself out there. You looked like a wild animal. What happened?
I don't know. Sometimes the magic slips from my control. But never like that. Wait. The wolf. Where is he?
He's safe, but it wasn't easy. He kept trying to run after you while you were tearing everything apart. I didn't want him to get caught in your frenzy.
None of us are safe yet. You see those pillars of smoke? There are more coming. Those damned fiends are going to chase us till we're all dead.
I know somewhere that will be safe. It's deeper into the wilds, but it's not far, and I can lead you all. You don't have to trust me, but I know this grove better than anyone. Sharval's friendship is conditional. She'll crush you if you don't listen to every sign she sends. Follow me and keep close. The sun is starting to set. The dead must be honored, or their spirits will be left in turmoil. Sharvall is our shelter. We must mend what has been broken. Watch your step. The current below will rip you to shreds. These plants are toxic to consume and burn. Leave them, but don't cut them down. These herbs can be used as healing salves. Only take what you need.
I thought you'd be back. Though I wasn't suspecting so many new friends. Are you sure you can protect them? There are more of those fiends coming.
Truthfully, I'm not sure. This magic, I thought I could control it, but it outpaces me. It slips from my fingers like it rejects my touch.
The magic isn't rejecting you. This power is a reflection of your connection to the earth. You think that to be a druid, you only have to surrender your body, but you must also surrender your spirit. Up until now, you've grasped one of nature's hands but have refused to take the other. If you accept all that the land has to offer, human and animal alike, then your magic will not be in disarray. You must be recognized by others in order to recognize yourself. To become a full druid, another druid must recognize your devotion to man. The beast spirits must recognize your devotion to the wilds. Show us that you can balance both in the rite of initiation. Only then will you be recognized as a guardian of Sharvall. Fail, and you will learn what it's truly like to be alone.
The rite of initiation. Sharvall has never been kind to those who fail. But you're right. I must give my body and soul. These people are depending on me. Beasts, witness our flowing blood and peer into my soul. I feel free, like a door has opened within my spirit. But your face, that claw mark doesn't look good. Is this a part of the rite?
It is. And I gladly accept it. Come! Our work is not done. Those pillars of smoke prove that the demons have not stopped their rampage. We must save what remains of your grove.
You're right. But these villagers are still in danger. Wait a moment. They know now how to respect the land. Sharvall will protect them. Let's go. Much loss. Is this what those villagers were running from?
Those villagers are not the only victims to such carnage. Demons have spread across all of Sanctuary. This is only a glimpse of their terror. See, you've finally caught up to the magic of the wilds.
I have, thanks to your help. Well, thanks to everyone's help. Do you think the Grove is safe? Those people don't have anywhere else to go.
It is for now. I'm not too worried about them. They've learned how to coexist with this land. It's the rest of Sanctuary I'm worried about. The destruction you saw today has been spreading all over the world. Those demons ravage everything in sight, and the land has suffered under their touch. I know this grove is your home.
But so is all of Sanctuary. If I want to protect the wilds, I can't stay here. Not when evil is spreading. I won't let any more demons spread their rotten filth. Bastards want to come onto our land and muck everything up. Sharvol will swallow them whole.
safe, all right?
Your death will bring life. Vile parasites. Will bring life. Nature claims all. let you go.
Like twigs. The fracture. Worthy hands have shaped your steel.
You're not worthy to live. Power must recover. This magic is
You. Worthy hands have shaped your steel.